Hello everyone, I'm Harshdeep, a master's student at the Faculty of Engineering, University of Alberta. I am a part of Dr. Amit Kumar's research group that conducts research on energy systems and their impacts on the environment. The question that I'm attempting to answer today is how will we find new sources of energy? Before answering this question, I think it's imperative to understand why do we need to find new sources of energy. Though the conventional sources of energy, like the fossil fuels, are abundant, we may run out of these resources soon as we are heavily reliant on them. Additionally, these sources of energy are infamously causing environmental pollution leading to climate change. On the other hand, it's not that renewable resources don't have any disadvantages at all. They have their fair share too. For example, solar energy is intermittent in nature and cannot be used at all times. Furthermore, the effectiveness in harnessing the available solar energy is fairly low too. Now that we understand the need to find newer energy resources, let's understand how it can be done. There is a famous proverb, necessity is the mother of invention. Yes, when we see a need, an invention will follow. If you were to set up a framework in understanding how newer resources can be developed, the first step would be to understand the limitations of the current energy systems. The next step would be to dedicate research efforts towards finding newer ways of energy conversions that can eliminate these existing limitations. On the other hand, along with finding newer sources of energy, if the known sources of energy are used to their fullest, the benefits we reap is enormous. For example, solar energy is a known source of energy. However, we are benefited only when solar energy is converted to electricity or other forms that human beings use. For that to happen, we need efficient and abundant materials that can do this task for us. At the University of Alberta, under Future Energy Systems, researchers are working towards developing novel materials that can convert solar energy to useful forms in an efficient manner. In this modern era of artificial intelligence, machine learning is also being used to facilitate this. To summarize, having a clarity of what we need can help us develop new energy systems. Having said that, eliminating the limitations of already available energy sources can be beneficial too. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching Future Energy Systems Ask an Expert series. If you have your own question, submit it on our website. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our exciting content. Check out the links below to our website and learning page where you can find activities, learning extension, and more. You can also sign up on the website for notifications for future videos and interactive opportunities. There's so much to learn as we explore our energy future.